Minister wa uruti wa wira wa muingi Moses Kuria ni arutire mukana arugamiriri a university cia muingi kumana na uhuthiri moru wa mbeca akiuga aruti a wira cukuru-ini ici mena mieri kihiri matari maramukira mushara wao.
I'm also asking public universities which are also state corporations. The government is doing its part, the president is doing his part, the minister is doing his part. Now it's up to you. There is no excuse. There is no excuse for not having prudent financial management.
Akiaria hindi ya kuingiria amemba a bodi ngiri imwe thiini wa honge igana ria mugwanja cia thirikari mwaka-ini umwe mwena wa Naivasha, Kuria ni arutire mukana arugamiriri a university ni uhuthiri moru wa mbeca kuna aruti a wira thukuru-ini imwe matire maramukira mushara wao wa mieri kihiri.
Now it's up to you. There is no excuse. There is no excuse for not having prudent financial management.
Kuria augite thirikari ni kuneana honge iria itari na umithio kuri urugamiriri wa andu kiumbe, akiuga gatagati ka honge 350 cia githirikari no gicunje kia 5 hari 100 kireha umithio hari o mwaka.
5% of you are giving dividends to government. 5%. Yet Kenya Commercial Bank, for which Kenya government only owns 17%, it is giving more dividends to government than all of you combined.
Oho mwikariri giti wa kurugamirira honge cia githirikari Simon Indimuli eranire ni meharire kuruta utungata wao hari gukinyaniria cioneki cia thirikari.
The purpose of this training is to try and consolidate the thinking of all public service towards delivery of the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, the better agenda.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Maina wa Kĩhara.